This section up here on the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Max is called Dynamic Island. Basically, this is a new way where you could navigate between different apps like timer and music. Let me show you how it works. If you open up any music app, I'll use YouTube Music here and play a song. I'll go ahead and play this song. When you minimize it, it goes right up there. So you see this little area on top called Dynamic Island. You could always click on it and it will bring the app back, or you could press and hold on it to get a view like this where you could go ahead and fast forward or pause a song. And you could do this with multiple apps. So for example, I could pull up the timer here. So right over here, I'll press timer, I'll go here, and let's go ahead and start a 3-minute timer. And when I minimize this, it appears on top as well. So now I could either hold this right here to see the timer and then exit it if I wanted to. And I could hold this one here and then see my music app. And if I tap on it, it's going to open up the music tab and I could jump between different songs.